Hey guys, welcome back to Vidya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Hope you all are gearing up for the upcoming Pongal Sankranti festival. If you are thinking I'm going to be sharing a sweet Pongal recipe, sorry, not today. Today I'm going to share a Tirunelveli special recipe. Again, it's not the alva, it's the Tirunelveli Sodhi Kuzhambu or mappillaisodhi. So, Mappillai in Tamil means groom or son-in-law. So, what I learned is that this Sodhi Kuzhambu is prepared as part of the wedding feast at the bride's place when the groom visits them for the first time. I know, bride and groom, let's forget all that. To simply say, this Sodhi Kuzhambu is the Tirunelveli style vegetarian or vegetable stew. That's it, it's as simple as that. Guess what? It's a complete vegan recipe and you can relish this with rice and tiffin items like appam, idiyappam, idli, dosa as well. Before getting into the recipe, I would like to thank our friend Srini, who is a chef, for sharing this delicious recipe with us. Thank you so much, Srini. We love this recipe. And now it's time for me to share this recipe with you all. Let's get started. Already shared the traditional stove top version of this recipe on my blog. Today I'm going to share the instant pot version of this Sodhi Kuzhambu. Recently I have been receiving a lot of requests for South Indian instant pot recipes, so I thought I'll share how to make this Sodhi Kuzhambu in the instant pot. So let's begin with the cooking process now. So I'm going to pressure cook the moong dal and the vegetables using my stackable pans in the instant pot. So here I have 3 tablespoons of moong dal and I washed and soaked it for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add half cup of water and just mix it. Here I have 1 cup of roughly chopped potatoes, bite-sized potatoes, and 7 drumstick pieces. So these drumsticks are frozen ones. I couldn't source the fresh ones, but I thawed it to room temperature. I'm going to drain this water and cook them in diluted coconut milk, that is thin coconut milk. Today I'm going to use the store-bought coconut milk for this recipe. So what I did was I took half cup of water and to that I added 2 tablespoons of coconut milk and diluted it. So I'm going to drain this water quickly. So before I forget, so I used 4 potatoes of this size and it's approximately about 1 cup. So now I'm going to add the diluted coconut milk. And just place. I got these stackable pans in Indian grocery store when we were visiting LA. I know, even during vacation I think about kitchen stuff. But you can find this on Amazon online as well. So here I have my instant pot, it's the 6 quart. And I have already added 1.5 cups of water. And now I'm going to place the trivet that came with the instant pot. And then the stackable pans and close the lid. So I've closed the lid and the vent is in the sealing position. So I'm going to press the manual button and cook this for 4 minutes and I'm going to release the pressure quickly after 5 minutes. So I'll catch you in a bit. As you can see, it is pressure cooked and it's 5 minutes now. So I'm going to release the pressure quickly. Before that I'm going to cancel the cooking process. So I'm going to press cancel and move the valve to the venting position. If you can hear the hissing noise. So as you can see, the pressure is completely released now and the valve is also down. So now I'm going to open the instant pot and take the stackable pans out. Here you go, the moong dal and the potatoes and the drumstick. I can smell the coconut milk flavor already. So let's check how it is done. So as you can see, the moong dal is well cooked. It's nice and mushy, and same with potatoes also. And the drumstick. So I drained the water that I added for doing the pot in pot cooking, and I wiped it clean. Now Instant Pot is in the saute mode and the display is showing hot. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. It's the neutral corn oil. You can use any oil of your preference. So I took 1 green chili of this size. You can use 2 small green chilies as well. So and I grinded it with 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. I did not add any water. Again, this was suggested by our friend. Who am I to question the expert's advice, right? So I'm just following his recipe to the T. So yeah, and the oil is also hot. I'm going to start adding the onion and garlic. So here I have 5 shallots or chinna vengayam. This is the white pearl onions. So I'm going to add that. 2 garlic cloves, I chopped it finely, and also 1 inch ginger. So I'm adding that as well. And just saute it for a minute or so. So now I'm going to add this green chili paste. It's just green chili and salt. And cook for 30 seconds. Just for your convenience, here are the pearl onions that I used, and as I said, I used 5 of these for this recipe. Now I'm going to add the moong dal. And also the cooked potatoes and drumsticks along with the coconut milk. And just mix it. Also, I rinsed the mixer jar with 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to add that as well. So let this simmer for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add the thick coconut milk. I'm going to let it simmer for 2 minutes, and that's it. The sodhi is done. Now I'm going to add 2/3 cup of thick coconut milk and mix it. So I'm going to let this simmer again for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add some chopped cilantro. So it's been 2 minutes. I have already pressed the cancel button. I'm going to add some cilantro, and that's it. The Tirunelveli style vegetable stew is ready to serve. So here it is, the vegan vegetable stew, the Tirunelveli Sodhi Kuzhambu. Hope you all liked this video. Thank you for watching. As always, please like, share and subscribe. And I have one announcement to make. Starting next week, I'll be sharing all my recipes on Monday instead of Friday. So stay tuned for new recipes. I'll share more Instant Pot recipes in the coming weeks. Thank you, and I'm wishing you all a very happy Pongal Sankranti.